Good morning. How are you on this beautiful, blustery February day? Look, I know I'm in Zone 9 and I'm in the deep south in Mississippi, but it is cold. Y'all, it's freezing. I stood at the bus stop with my daughter this morning. I nearly froze my toes off because Granny only wears flip-flops, even flip-flop fuzzy slippers. Say that fast 3 times. Look, this morning before Poppy went to work, we stood in front of the TV and we watched Puxatawny Phil predict 6 more weeks of winter. I'm not mad about it. I am not mad. But I do have a lot of work to do in the garden before that 6 weeks are up. Actually, about 4 weeks. Not only is it Groundhog Day today, but it is also me and Poppy's 20th wedding anniversary. I can't believe it. Where did all the time go? It's a record for me. Before I met Poppy, I had a rocky relationship past, we'll say. But I could not be happier that we have made it for 20 years, and I'm the luckiest woman alive. When I married Poppy, I had 5 children, and he dropped himself right into this family and took care of my children like they belonged to him. And in fact, today, if you tell them that those are his stepchildren, he will argue with you because they're not to him. They're his children. But it was funny, when he asked me to marry him, I told him no. I said, you are young. He's 7 years younger than me. I said, you need to go find some young girl and have a bunch of babies and live happily ever after. You don't need to be saddled with me and my baggage. And he persisted, and finally I relented, and here we are 20 years later, and we have a wonderful marriage, in my opinion, and I guess that's the opinion that counts in this case. So, we're not going to be able to celebrate today. We've had some sick kids, and so we are going to wait until this weekend, so we can have a real date. Then we're going to come back home, and we are going to start cleaning up this yucky looking garden. Look, my neighbor's fence is still broken from the hurricane. I keep wondering when they're going to fix it, but I know the answer. The answer is never. But we got a lot of cleaning to do. And we've got a lot of building to do. Those are going to be some new raised beds. And I can't wait to get started with it. I just can't. Look, let me show you something. It is so cold. Do you see that towel right there? I had to bring that towel out here the other day because it was raining on my porch swing, and I didn't want to sit down in the wet puddle. So I stuck that down there and dried it up and laid it over the back of the porch swing. This morning I come out here, and that thing is covered in ice. If you look at my roof up there, you can tell it's covered in frost too. Who knew? Who knew it could get this cold in Mississippi? When I woke up this morning, it was a whopping 27 degrees. Okay, that's not what the real temperature was, but that was the wind chill factor, and that's what counts, right? So y'all stay warm out there. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon, all right? Happy anniversary, honey. Love you. Mwah!